Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to verify your domain name in Brevo. Let's see the domains. This is my domain name, and as you see, it is authenticated. Same thing for the sender using the same domain name, it is verified. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Brevo account. Then you click on your profile from here and click on settings. Click on senders, domains, and IPs. Now jump to the domains tab. And as you see here, I already added a domain name that is not verified yet. So instead of starting verifying it, I will delete it first to show you exactly what you will see. This is the page you will see in your case if it is your first domain name. Now click on add domain from here or from the bottom. It's the same thing. Click on it. A new window pops up. Here, fill in your domain name. In my case, my domain is dotcom.builders. Click on add a domain. And you will see authenticate your domain name. Here there is multiple methods to verify your domain name. You can authenticate the domain name automatically, which is recommended. You can authenticate the domain yourself, which is manually, or you can ask someone else to authenticate the domain for you. For example, a developer that builds your website. The easiest way is to go with the automatic method, which is the recommended one. So select it first and click on continue. Here, Brevo uses a service called Entry, which is their domain authentication partner to help you add the DNS records easily to your domain. Here, this service here, let me explain you what will happen. After clicking on continue, they will analyze your domain. Then they will detect the DNS provider. In my case, it's Hostinger. And after that, they will ask you for your Hostinger account login credentials. Here, it's simple. This is my Hostinger domain account. And if I click here, logout, and I try to log in to my Hostinger account, where my domain is registered, I will fill in my login email address and password. Those credentials are the one you should fill in here. So just to not be confused, fill in. I will copy them like that, and for the password, I remember it. After that, click on continue. They are now like login to your Hostinger account or domain name registrar instead they are logging instead of you, and they will make the needed changes to your domain, which is adding DNS records. For security reasons, we need to verify your identity. A unique code has been sent to your registered email address. Please check your inbox, retrieve the code, and enter it in the field below to complete the login process. This additional step ensures your account remains secure. If you do not see the email in your inbox, please check your spam or junk folder. So I will log in to my Gmail account. And this is the login verification code they sent me. Enter it here and click on continue. In your case, you will be a different login verification code. My bad. They couldn't find my domain name in the Hostinger account I gave them. I gave them a different Hostinger account, so I forgot to give them the correct one. So don't worry, it's the same process. I will give them the correct email address again. So this is the correct Hostinger email account or account email, and let's give them the Same thing, let's enter the login verification code. This is the verification code. Let's enter it here and hit continue. They are setting up my domain name. Your domain has been authenticated. The complete authentication on your email domain provider site can take from a few hours to 48 hours. This is usual because DNS changes requires a little bit of time to take effect on the full internet. So sometimes DNS changes shows up on the US and not on the Europe side of the internet. So this is why they let you know about this waiting period. Click on back to domain listing, and as you see, domain status, my domain name is authenticated now. Let's view the configuration. As you see, the Brevo code values in Brevo on your domain name account match. So this value is added, or yes, this txt value is added to my domain name correctly. Same thing for the dkim record, dkim2, and the mark record. All of those are detected successfully, and this means that my domain is fully verified now inside Brevo. And this is how to verify your domain name in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.